Hey everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make these cool flying rocket ships. This craft involves using origami to create a rocket ship. With this craft, you'll actually be able to make it fly by using a straw or rolled up piece of paper. Along with this origami piece, I will be showing you how you can draw a space scene to serve as a background for your rocket. So without further ado, let's get started. The materials you'll need for this craft include 2 sheets of paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a ruler, a straw. If you do not have a straw, you can also roll up a piece of paper. And finally, coloring tools. You have the option of using whatever you have available, such as colored pencils, markers, or pens. The first thing we want to do is prep our paper. We'll be cutting it into a square shape. I will be using my ruler to make a square measuring 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Then I'll go ahead and use my scissors to cut out my square. Now that we have our square, we can start folding our craft. Start off by folding your paper in half both ways. Make sure to properly crease your paper so that it can be easier to fold in the next steps. Now we want to fold our paper in half diagonally both ways once again. Holding the paper as so, you want to fold in the sides of the square and fold the top down so that you end up with a triangular shape. Now, taking the top layer of paper, fold it over so that the edge of the triangle meets the center line. Repeat for the other side as well. Now looking at your paper sideways, fold the bottom corner so that it touches the center line. Repeat this for the other side as well. Now for the flaps at the bottom, fold the center edge so that it meets the outer edge, like so. Now you're going to repeat this process on the other side. Now that we've finished folding our paper, we're going to reach our fingers inside and pop out the structure. Now that we have folded the rocket ship, you can also decorate your craft if you'd like. For mine, I will be drawing simple stars with my markers. Next, we're going to set our rocket ship aside and work on creating a background of outer space. I'm using some markers to create my piece. You can draw whatever you'd like. You can draw the Earth, the Moon, stars, the Sun, or other planets. Here, I am drawing the Earth and coloring it in with my markers. Now I'll be drawing a sun with my yellow and orange markers. On the left of my paper, I'll be drawing the moon. Now I'll be placing stars randomly across my page. Now, taking a dark blue marker, I'm going to be using that to color in the background. To make it easier for myself, I've outlined all the shapes first and then colored in. Then I decided that I wanted to add more planets to my background. After finishing up those planets, I continued using my dark blue marker to color in the background. Whenever you're happy with your final piece, you are ready to play with your craft. I will show you how you can use a straw to make your rocket ship fly. Remember, if you don't have a straw, you can also roll up a piece of paper. To do so, first cut out a thin piece of paper. Then, using a pencil, roll up this piece of paper into a straw shape. Use tape to secure the paper into shape. Once you have your basic straw shape, make a small cut into one side of the straw so that it could bend over like so. Then use tape to secure the shape and patch up the hole in the straw, just to make sure that no air escapes. Once you finish that, you have a makeshift straw. Now, to play with your new craft, all you have to do is insert the straw to the bottom of your rocket ship and blow through it to watch your rocket ship fly. I hope you had fun making this craft and have fun playing with your cool new rocket ships. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!